This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey gardening fantastics, this is an update about my repurposed green onions I planted. These are the ones outdoors. Look how tall it's gotten. Now remember, it was some celery in there, but there it is, it died. I think I had it buried too deep, and so I have to do that over. You know, I have the one that's in the kitchen on my sink, but the green onions, they are ripe for snipping and putting on tacos, salads, whatever you want. Nice fresh green onions. So that's an update on my repurposed green onions. Thanks for your time and support.